Productivity was just solved. You don't need to watch any video start from this, and let me spoon feed you step by step on how to fucking do this and how to 2x to 4x your productivity in a span of 1 to 3 months. First of all, I'm not clickbaiting. Here's the proof. I've been doing 4 to 5 videos a month when I was starting in October 2023. Now I'm doing 17 to 18 videos in August 2025, and it continues fucking growing. What is the catch? The belief that productivity is related to time is completely false. You can work 1 hour a day and outplay the person who works 10 hours a day in the same niche with the same task. It's absolutely possible, and it's even better if you work 1 hour a day. Secondly, it's not about tactics. It's not about those magic tricks that every YouTuber tells you, like 7 tips to become more productive, how to become 1% more productive. It doesn't work like that. There's fundamentals, they're basics. They just solve every single problem. There is no magic pill that will accidentally solve you, like Pomodoros, like little tweaks, like Notions or whatever. They're just basics, huge concepts you've always heard, but now I'm gonna open them. So it's just easy to digest. Productivity is not about perfectionism. Or you've thought about self-improvement, right? The concept of being better by 1% every single day is fucking false. It's not even false, but it's bullshit. Unimaginable. It's basically toxic. You don't have to be better in all areas of your life. Be a giga chat, but at the same time hit 10 girls a day, but like bench 315 and record 5 videos a day, make $10,000 a month. It's not happening at once. And it's not productivity. It's just trying to feed your insecurity. I'm going to feed my ego by doing all of that, by being on self-improvement. But it's just perfectionism. It's just self-masturbation. You can't be perfect. Let's dial it into doing what you actually need. There's areas in your life that will actually matter and that will make meaningful results. For me, it's making content, running, and hiking. That's all. That's all I gotta do. If I try to meditate, fix all of my friendships, journal, or whatever, like do all of that, I'm gonna suck. That's just as simple as that. Choose areas and things that have leverage. Leverage is basically when you have the same input, but you get 10 times more output. So this asymmetrical growth. When you put such little efforts, but you get so much results. It's like a lever that you pull. What is that in your life? What's lacking right now? For example, if you need to build a personal brand or start an online business, it all starts from content. It all starts from personal brand. If you just make that one video, good ass video that will blow up and get 10,000 views. Like suddenly, 2 hours you've spent on making that video will get you 10,000 views, approximately 5 clients if you have a product. So 2 hours of your life bring so much more results than if you just did some editing. I don't know, went to gym or something like that. So to look for those leverage points. I've talked about working less. You have to work as less as possible. From this point on, you're gonna work no more than 2 hours a day. And don't tell me about hustlers. Don't tell me about YouTubers that tell you to work 10 hours a day. Don't tell me about Hormozzi's quote, 12-hour workday should be normalized for young men without weekends or something like that. Shit is crazy. You will not even last for like 2 weeks. I'm not talking about lifestyle. It's just a survival syndrome. Hormozzi can't handle this, but he's one fucking person on this planet, and like probably other 5,000 who do this on a daily basis. You're not him. You need to be you. So the actual work is done when you've pushed to deadlines. When you're doing that task, you know it. Like, you know there's one task. It's uncomfortable as fuck. It's only one like that. You can do 10 other tasks and it's not gonna be hard. You're not even gonna care. You're just working and watching something, listening music on the background. Like, that's not it. You have to put all energy into that one task and do it as fast as possible. If you stretch your time beyond 2 hours a day, you're just gonna start add things on top that are completely unnecessary. If you're talking about creating content, you just have to make fucking videos. You just have to record them. Probably edit them. It's maximum 2 hours a day. I want you to give up all tasks, all plans you have. Just make those videos. Make that edit, upload it. And let me tell you something. If you continue doing this for 6 months, you're gonna have that video that'll fucking blow up. You can work, you can hustle, you can grind for 10 hours a day without rest, without any breaks. But after 4th hour, you can throw your time into fucking trash bin. Your focus is so limited that your actual time of focus is like 50 minutes. Like 40 minutes, because then you need to have a break and then you can have another block of focus on like 40 to 50 minutes. You haven't even trained focus. You don't even know about focus. So it's as low as that. And that's why one like niche focused block, like 40 to 50 minutes, is a lot more impactful than 5-hour workday when you did secondary tasks, unnecessary tasks. With that, you have so much free time. How you can handle it, or you want to improve, like you have so much free time after that. What you do? Like, how can I grow even more? Let's talk about routine. Do you have a routine? And it's not the conventional advice I'm gonna give you. Everyone tells you to be like a robot, like have the same schedule over and over again. Plan tomorrow, today. in the evening. But I'm gonna tell something different. Imagine you watch a video of someone's day in their real life. You copy their routine. You start waking up at 8 a.m. You start to do some work. Then you do go to the gym. Then you do whatever they do. And so after some weeks, after the first month, you start to lose it. You start to wake up, do it on autopilot, not feel the drive. You do work because just have to do the work. You do gym just because it fits your ego, and now you can't stop going there. That's the only thing validating for your brain. After some time, it just becomes lifeless. You do routine for the sake of doing a routine. That's the worst thing you can have on your self-improvement or on your journey to become more productive or whatever, bro. Just growth. This is the worst thing that could happen. And my advice to you is build a routine that is 100% structured as you want it to be. Yes, exactly as you want it to be. You don't have to rely on nothing else but just your wish, just your desire. You wake up, what you want to do, genuinely. That will be your routine. I swear to God, there's only one non-negotiable is you have to wake up and do that block, do that work block, first thing in the morning. After you've done it, it's like eat the frog, do that uncomfortable thing first, and then you start to build your day as you want it to be. And so, if your routine is built of things you like doing, that's just the perfect day. It cannot be more perfect, right? That's fulfillment. If you think about it, you don't have to have money, you don't have to have cars, you don't have to have girls. If you just have a day, it's just built the way you want it to. Isn't that the perfect day? Isn't that happiness on its core? So stop having FOMO. Stop thinking you have to be more productive. Just do what you want. Of course, you don't want to smoke and vape and be degenerate. That's another level of self-improvement. Like, the things you want are actually productive. If you desire doing productive things, if it's your actual passion, that's just a double bonus. If you want to read books, that's awesome. You can do that after you work. Like, if you want to watch some movie instead, just do it. If you want to go to bed later or go to bed earlier, you just decide everything based on what you like. That contradicts discipline, basic like monk mode type of living. But I don't care, bro. I'm happiest by far and the most productive by far using this strategy. Like, I don't have a routine besides my work. I don't have a schedule besides my work. I've done 2 of my blogs. I wake up. First of all, I record videos or I script videos and make thumbnails. And then I eat something, I train, or I go to uni, I come back, and I do another block. Usually it's editing. After that, I'm done. Like, I can do anything I fucking want. When you give yourself freedom, when you're not controlled by anyone, when 100% of your day is controlled by you, that's the sign you're going the right direction. You don't need to have money, right? You just have the lifestyle. The outcome will come. So that's another lesson. You don't have to think about goals, New Year resolutions, like, oh fuck, I need to hit that mark, first $1,000 a month. Oh fuck, first $1,000 a month in this year. Stop caring about that. You need to put lifestyle over outcomes. If you're actually happy by doing what you do right now, then stop thinking about fucking results. Just work, just enjoy. Like, I'm making these videos for more than 2 years. I haven't made $1 by that business model I'm thinking about, but that's okay. I can make these videos for free for another 2 years and live my life outside that. So if you can do the same shit, you've just solved it for yourself. When you're productive, by the way you like it to be, by the way you actually desire it, stop being influenced by other YouTubers. Make your own decisions and choose a lifestyle that you'll actually like. So fun max, have as much fun as possible. I want you to stop caring about work. Yes, just do your main blog and stop caring about work. Film more videos if you want to. Hang out more with your friends if you want to. That's the point. You're becoming free. When you're having as much fun as possible, you're resting, you're recharging. Okay, think of it like that. Think of it as a lifestyle solar panel. When you're working on some crucial, actual important task, you get drained really fast. Like, if you wake up first thing first and you do some recording, like imagine you record 2 to 3 videos, long format, 15 to 20 minutes, you're like tired as fuck. And so for you to perform the same in the next day, you have to rest. And so you've edited your video for today, and the rest of the day, you just recharge. You don't think about your work even once. So that allows you to recharge your battery. And next day, you do the same block with the same focus. And it continues to recharge. It's like never-ending cycle. Stop caring about your work. Start caring more about fun. Start caring more about what you would like to do right now. And live by that. That's going to be productive, plus fun, plus sustainable, plus whatever. Shit is working. If you want to start doing that even faster, absolutely for free, check out the 7-day productivity challenge. Yeah, it costs nothing, but you gain everything. That's all I wanted to say. Bye.